Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials, and this is the last part of our development in Wallpaper app, where we are going to fetching the wallpapers from Pixabay API to our Android application. And now we had added the set wallpaper and download wallpaper buttons, but it is also important to add the share wallpaper button. By that we can able to add the sharing functionality in our user's device, and the sharing is quite hard because it needs a memory card cache file so that we can share the image. So we are going to do this tricky part, but for this tricky part, if you want to learn, you have to watch this video completely and do three things. First, like this video. Second, comment your feedback about what you want in next video and had you made this application. And third, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon. Okay, so after doing these three things, let's begin to our videos. So first, we are going to create a button in our activity full screen, and now you can see that our buttons are in horizontal, but when we were writing the 0 dp and weight one, then it was difficult to adjust these buttons in a single line without making this. So what problem I was facing, that this download come downside, means down first, then below this down we got load, so that not looks good. So for that I have one solution, that is adding the horizontal scroll view around our linear layout. Means we are going to make the pair with horizontal linear layout, horizontal scroll view, and just I had changed this linear layout id to the horizontal scroll view id, and we got this. Then I had changed its width to match wrap content, so that we will get only those size which we need. So here you can see that wrap content, and same the way we had created this button in this video also I had created the same thing, share wallpaper, for that, and added its margin to be 5 dp, background gradient, font family that we are using, and text alignment to be center, text all caps, color and size, all that stuff remains same. But in this video we had just made some changes in our complete linear layout. So you can first imagine that a complete thing. So here is our button which is not closing now. Yes, it is closed. Okay, so here you can see that our linear layout, and we have wrapped it with a horizontal scroll view. So when we add some more buttons here, then our layout will completely scrollable at horizontal orientation. Then we have to move to our full screen activity, but before that, if you had not added this write external storage and read internal external storage permissions, then you have to add it. It is necessary. Then we have to move to our full screen activity, and here we have to cast for first, we have to make our share intent, so it will be globally. So remember that all things is globally, so that we can add it later. So first of all we are going to design, or first we are going to cast it in our own create method. So here you can see that here is our share wallpaper button, and find view by id and share wallpaper as it is. Then we are going to create a custom method which is a share wallpaper event, and we will take this view v over there so that we can catch it afterwards in our private method. So there is our, here is our private method, but before this we need to convert a image URL, means those image URL which we are getting in photo view, we have to convert it into a bitmap, then and then only we can able to share it with our friends. So here I had created one bitmap method. So I had applied some tricks to make a image. So just see and comment me down below. So here first I had written private bitmap image view. So basically this is the new bitmap that I had created, and here is bitmap. So we are going to return only a bitmap only. So here first I have created a bitmap is equal to, then create a bitmap with finding this view get width whose its height, and we have to config as ARGB 8888. So this will reduce the size. Then we had call a canvas so that we can write a bitmap. Now we are going to draw a view using this canvas, and then finally in our image view we are going to set context this and make one image view randomly. Then we had set its bitmap, image bitmap, and finally casted a bitmap. So now we had created our bitmap method, but the things that we want is any type of view. Okay, so here we are going to use photo view because in that we are getting the image. So first to avoid any kind of error, so I declare a strict mode vm policy.builder is equal to new, and same thing, then builder.build. Okay, after we are going to store this image for our personal use only, means user will not see this image in their device or anywhere in gallery. So we are going to use it in our get external cache file, means Android application will create automatic a cache file of our application. So when there is no internet connection they will load the cache file, but we are going to here use it is as a file. So here I had written file and then get external cache directory. In that we have to create one image. So this will the static image name. So here we had declare a static image name. So when user will create second time, then the first image will replace with second. So after that we have to try file output stream is equal to new file output stream, and in that we have to pass this our directory. Then using our custom method image photo view dot compress bitmap compress format will be png as we had declared here. Then its quality will be 100, its file output stream, then we have to pass it, then flush and close. Then by using our share intent as usual we are going to write action send, its type is image, and then we have to make a URI. So we are going to convert this file to URI, and then share intent dot put extra, and we are going to advertise it. So here I am going to remove my this code. So get more HD wallpapers. Okay, and then we are going to write our package name and context that all you know. Then we have to set flag as a flag activity new task, and then start a activity chooser. So by this way we are going to add the sharing functionality in our Android application. So if you really enjoyed this video, then please make sure you do that three things, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Android tutorials, and leaving this playlist if you don't see our web view application series, and you can move to our playlist section where you will find all the playlists. So thanks for watching this Android tutorials, and if you really enjoyed this video then please make sure you like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. And we are going to design a screenshot for our application and make one animated intro. So for that subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.